Okay, so this is our ingrain end table, and here we're just cutting up some walnut legs. We didn't get very much footage at the beginning of the project. We didn't realize that we weren't recording it properly, so you won't see much of us milling up the wood, but as you get further through, you'll see us actually assembling the panels. Okay, now we have our first panel laid out. These will be the legs. They're made of walnut. I'm just gonna go through now and see which side I like best, because that'll be the side that's visible since this is the outer panel. And I also have to be mindful of this end grain because that'll be the top of the table. And then I just want to double check my measurements. It's about 11 and a half. We want to make sure it's under 12 inches so that it will fit through our planer. Okay, so here we decided that we wanted to change out the legs. Before we were going to do all walnut, but we decided to switch it to alder and rosewood. So here you just see me cutting off the leg so that we can add on the alder leg to switch it up a little bit. And then this is just me squaring it up to make sure it fits the rest of the panel. Okay, so we just finished our first panel. Came out excellent, as you can see, but we forgot to turn the camera on. We realized that after the fact, and we realized just how thin some of these boards are and how it's gonna really turn out to be. We might have to end up ultimately gluing up more boards, but yeah, this is the first panel. More to come. So it actually turned out that we had more than enough panels already glued up. We completely underestimated how much wood we had prepped. So as you'll see at the end of the video, we actually were able to make 2 tables.